Hello dear student, welcome to the DAV Mobile Public School Sitasavangi in e-learning classes. I am your computer teacher. This is standard first and second. Our today's topic is what is mouse and how to use a mouse. But do you know why it is named as a mouse? Let me explain. It looks like a real mouse with the cord is the tail and the part of we hold is the body. One of the researchers helping the inventors with his creation called the tool a mouse. But do you know who is the inventor of computer mouse? Let's check. Who is the inventor of computer mouse? In the 1968, a man named Douglas Engelbart created these special tools to help people control their computers. It was a small wooden block on wheels, and there was a long cable sticking out of the back, a kind of a tail. But do you know what is mouse? A mouse is an important part of the computer. A mouse is an input device that is used to tell the computer what to do. A mouse, a pointing device and used for pointing and clicking. It also helps us to draw picture on computer. This mouse has two buttons and a scrolling wheels between two buttons. There are different part of mouse. Let's see. First, a left button. Second one is right button. Third one is scroll wheel. And fourth is mouse wire, which is I will show you in the image. Just like our finger, a mouse helps us to point and select things on computer screen. When you move the mouse, an arrow moves the on screen. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. But remember, always keep the mouse on a mouse pad. Now there are different type of mouse. Let's see what type of mouse is. A mouse can have two or three buttons. If which one this mouse has two buttons, this is called a two button mouse. And the second image shows the mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel instead of the middle button. This is called a scroll mouse. Now let's see how to hold the mouse. Place the mouse on a mouse pad to move it easily. The buttons of the mouse should be points towards the computer. The first image I will show the figure of right hand, and the second image the correct way to hold the mouse. Okay. The mouse has a different action. Let's see what are. When we press a mouse button, we hear a click sound. This is called clicking the mouse. The first one is a single click. The second is a double click, and the third is a drag and drop are the different mouse actions. Now check the first, single click. The act of pressing a computer mouse button once without moving the mouse is called a single click. The single click is usually a primary action of the mouse. And the second one is a double click. Pressing the left mouse button twice in a quick succession to open file, image and so on directly is called a double click. And third one is drag and drop. Let's see how to drag and drop. First, hold the mouse and bring the mouse pointer on the item to be moved and single click on it. The second, keeping the left mouse button pressed, move the item to new place. Now release the mouse button. But do you know, to select and open an item, to double click. To select an item, do single click. So in this way, in this video, we will discuss about the mouse and how it is used in our computers. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.